Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance memory with the CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 RAM. Packed with impressive specs, this memory module is designed to take your computing experience to the next level. With a capacity of 64GB spread across two 32GB sticks, it's ideal for power users, content creators, and gamers who demand the best. The standout feature of this DDR5 RAM is its blazing fast speed of 6,800 MHz. In today's computing landscape, where CPUs are featuring more cores than ever before, having memory that can keep up is crucial. The DDR5 technology ensures that your high-end CPU gets the data it needs quickly, resulting in faster processing, rendering, and buffering. One of the key advantages of this memory module is its onboard voltage regulation. This feature makes overclocking easier and more stable than ever before. Through the CORSAIR ICE software, users can fine-tune their overclocking settings with precision, ensuring optimal performance tailored to their specific needs. Speaking of customization, the Vengeance DDR5 RAM supports custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles. With the ICE software, users can create and save their own XMP profiles, allowing them to adjust performance based on the application or task at hand. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on intensive tasks like video editing, this level of flexibility is invaluable. The powerful CORSAIR ICE software doesn't stop there. It also enables real-time frequency monitoring, giving users insight into their memory's performance at any given moment. Combined with onboard voltage regulation and custom XMP profiles, this software suite provides everything you need to maximize the potential of your memory. In terms of design, the Vengeance DDR5 RAM features a compact form factor with a distinctive solid aluminum heat spreader. Not only does this heat spreader keep the memory cool under heavy loads, but it also ensures compatibility with a wide range of motherboards and CPU coolers. Plus, with a limited lifetime warranty, you can trust in the reliability of CORSAIR's memory products for years to come. Overall, the CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 RAM delivers on its promise of exceptional performance and reliability. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or a professional user with demanding workloads, this memory module is sure to impress. Upgrade your system today and experience the power of DDR5 technology firsthand. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.